Hello friends, today I've come to talk to you about something that is the foundation of our lives, which is our health. In today's fast-paced life, have you ever noticed how careless we have become about our well-being? Just think about it. Whenever we have a minor ache or a sickness, we immediately rush to the doctor and start taking a bunch of colorful pills. But have you ever wondered what kind of game the chemistry behind those pills is playing with our bodies? Listen carefully. This is a very deep matter. The chemical composition in those medicines might suppress one of your pains, but it can also have a negative effect on some other part of your body. I still remember when I was little, my grandmother had a cure for every ailment right there in her small garden. She wasn't a magician, she just had an understanding of nature. She would make teas and prepare poultices from the herbs grown in our backyard, and we would get better in no time. But times changed. We moved to the concrete jungles of the cities, and that old wisdom got left behind somewhere. Grandmother is old now, she can no longer tend to those plants, and slowly our connection to that natural pharmacy just faded away. I always felt a pang of regret, wishing I knew which plant was used for which illness. Then my search led me to a solution that changed my life. I am talking about the Medicinal Garden Kit. And here's the most amazing thing. It's not just about seeds, it's a complete body of knowledge. When I got this kit, I felt like this was the lost key I had been searching for all these years. This kit teaches you which plant is for which kind of pain, which ailment, and most importantly, how to grow them. Let's say you're having trouble sleeping or you're very stressed. You'll have the solution right there in your own garden. But friends, there is a very important alert that you absolutely need to know. These days, so many things are being sold on the internet, and people can cheat you by selling fake versions of this kit. So listen carefully. You will not find this original Medicinal Garden Kit in any store or on some random website. There is only one correct way to purchase it, and that is through their official website. For your convenience, I have provided the link to it in the description below. Please don't risk your money and health by buying it from anywhere else. Just imagine what peace of mind it brings knowing that in a corner of your home, the guardians of your health, those medicinal plants are growing. Now, our medicine cabinet at home stays almost empty because we have taken refuge in nature. The best part about this kit is that it also comes with a 100% money-back guarantee, meaning you can try it out, and if you feel it's not for you, your money is completely safe. Change doesn't happen overnight in life, but one right decision can change everything. This kit is not just a product, but a step towards a healthy future. In the end, I'll just say this. There is no doctor greater than nature. If you also want to protect yourself and your family from those chemical-laden medicines, then definitely give this a try. If you found this information useful, please share your thoughts in the comments, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Review Bank so we can keep bringing you such truthful and insightful information. Stay healthy, stay safe.